Hello everyone, I am in Central Observation View and Peak Tram now. Here we go. And one is left, but that's how it looks. New generation. So okay, 8 minutes. 8 minutes for the next Peak Tram, I think. And so the Peak Tram works by So how the Peak Tram goes is that there's only 2 stops planned, which is the Bowden Road Terminus and Peak Tram and the Peak. But all other stops are request stops. So basically, either you have to hail like that, or you click the button. I don't know how that works. Also, did anybody realize they're using pop-up gates instead of pop-up doors? And we have some animations. This tram started in 1888 with an 119. I'm doing calculations right now. 12. Like what? Almost 100, over 130 years. Crazy. This is crazy. And they had many generations. Now we have the 6th generation, which is the green one, which you saw this left. And now we just wait for the Peak Tram to come. So anyways, see you guys when it comes. Alright, so the tram is coming down. I don't think you guys can see it, but I can kind of see it. Now, it might be at a request stop, so that's why I'm not moving. So we're gonna be further in the front if it's allowed. And the thumbnail will be just the Peak Tram itself. I'm going to caption Peak Tram. So this video will be in the vlog in. Oh wait, let's get forward fast, guys. Let's take the tram. And here it comes. Okay, very slowly because it's down here. Okay, wait, hold on. We're just gonna skip forward real fast. Okay, I just skipped forward because I wasn't moving, but now here it is. 6th generation Peak Tram. Here it is. Right. No one's on it because it's 8:10 in the morning. Oh, Mickey Mouse Steve again. Alright, here we go. How do you get the front? You just sit in the front. But it's blocked off. We're gonna drive a cab. I found it. Right, here we go. Well, you have to pay for it? Okay. What? Oh, it's just a Spanish solution. Alright, doors. And we got the front. Ugh. Alright, so it should be There's actually a few stops for the Peak Tram, but they're all request stops, so that's why. So we probably won't be stopping at them, but let's just skip forward until the tram departs.
多謝合作。請注意，車廂內嚴禁吸煙及飲食。謝謝合作。Your attention please. Smoking, eating or drinking is prohibited.
Announcements we got announcements.
For your cooperation.
And here's the driver's cabin. I wonder, there should be someone in the seat. Also, you can't go up there because it's going to be raining. Also, this is the side view. I'm doing front view. Is it like that?
歡迎乘搭香港最古老嘅交通工具山頂纜車。山頂纜車喺1888年開始投入服務。呢段旅程將會帶我哋由中環直達海拔400米高嘅山頂，沿途景色將會令你嘆為觀止。山頂纜車沿途有4個中途站，其中堅尼地道、麥當勞道同埋梅道站都係以早期香港殖民地總督嘅名字命名，而白加道站就命名自英軍白加上校。我哋嘅終點站就位於山頂凌霄閣嘅山頂總站，祝旅途愉快！歡迎乘坐香港最古老的交通工具山頂纜車。山頂纜車是在1888年開始投入服務，這一趟旅程將會帶我們從中環直達海拔400米高的山頂，沿途景色將會讓你嘆為觀止。山頂纜車沿途一共有4個中途站，當中的堅尼地道、麥當勞道和梅道站都是以早期香港殖民地總督的名字命名，而白加道站则取名自英軍白加上校。我們的終點站是位於山頂凌霄閣內的山頂總站。祝旅途愉快。Welcome aboard the Peak Tram, Hong Kong's oldest mode of transport, which began operations in 1888. This scenic journey will take us some 400 meters above sea level from Central to Peak. Along the route, there are 4 intermediate stations: Kennedy Road, MacDonnell Road and May Road were all named after Hong Kong's early colonial governors. Barker Road was named after Lieutenant General James Barker, the commander of the British forces. Our final destination is the Peak Tower. Enjoy your journey.
All of those intermediate stops are request stops, so we probably just skip that unless we get off and someone gets on. It's kind of like how buses go, also this is code. Now we actually wait for the tram to depart. Alright, here we go.
Please mind the doors.
We're only doing one way, by the way.
请等压扶手，请紧握扶手。Please hold the handrail.
Here we go. Here we go, the cable. And it's moving. What are the stops? Kennedy Road, we just skipped around. Wait, that's the old way. Hey, what's that next to it? And there's literally a hole right there. Also, I have no idea what this is. Is that the old one? That's the old generation. And next up is head. Oh yeah, this is actually a abandoned track just for it. Going under a bridge. going on, that's where we're gonna stop at MacDonnell Road.
呢度係麥當勞到站，乘客請於前門落車。
Oh, that's how you request.
這裡是麥當勞到站，乘客請於前門下車。
This is MacDonnell Road Station. Passengers, please use the front door for alighting.
So apparently there's a button at the platform where you have to press to get on. And MacDonnell Road. So we skip Kennedy Road and yeah.
請小心車門。
Please mind the
And
door.
we're gonna, so we'll probably have a good number. We'll have the tram.
請小心車
We
門。
have a big tram. Yeah, we're gonna have a big tram at the moment.
Please mind the doors.
Good. Now we continue. Mickey Mouse.
請緊握扶手。請緊握扶手。
Please hold the handrail.
Next is May Road. May Road and Baker Road. And I forgot what's after Baker Road. But I got Baker Road, Barker Road. If we walk to the peak, we actually pass these roads. The walking takes an hour, so. I'm going up. Upwards. There's actually a trail over here, but I don't. There is. And this is May Road that we're skipping. But this is so steep. Oh, another tram. Oh my. Oh, another tram. Another big tram. So I think you might need to stall right now. You might need to stall. And this time's not going to have to stall. Okay, never mind. Another big tram. There it goes. Okay, now, okay, we don't. I wonder what's going on here. I don't know. And we're going down. Okay, look at it. Slow down. politics thumbnail. And I made it. That was a good thing. That's how you enter back with the gates. Let's go. Oh my god, why is it so bumpy?
小心车门，没走的路。
Okay, we'll just do it over. Okay, this is number 2 thumbnail. Okay, I can't go past. That is water. Peak Tram. Alright, you go this way? I don't know what actually past this, so after this we get out here, I'll skip forward. As soon as we get out here, I'll show you guys what's over there. Okay, it just ends you into a mall. But this is not the same mall as the Peak one. Oh, what it is? Okay. Probably I don't notice because it's on a different floor. Also, I have no idea how to go. And we ended over skyline of Hong Kong. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Peak Tram video, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Peace.